customers now consume technology has changed significantly. They are becoming more comfortable using platforms such as e-commerce marketplaces. In the US market alone, online sales are predicted to grow by almost 60% to over $400 billion by 2018. Hi, my name is Dave Crane, and I'm an Operations Transformation Architect at VMware. My customers are now seeing the rise of the mobile era, with an increase in the use of portable devices, allowing customers to browse and shop online, and staff to access work applications while commuting, having a coffee in the cafe, or even enjoying the sunshine in a park, providing huge challenges and opportunities. From an operations perspective, customer expectations have changed too. Back office functions that support customer-facing operations also need to be available online and on demand. With this demand and competitive emerging companies established on greenfield infrastructure platforms meeting this demand and taking market share, my customers now recognize that earlier resistance to cloud-based platforms and services was really ill-founded. My customers' IT organizations are now aggressively trying to transform their technology platforms from static legacy infrastructure to the dynamic agile infrastructures provided by virtualization, cloud, and the software-defined data center. With a transition to these platforms, my customers are starting to realize real high-value IT outcomes, such as automated data center and IT operations and native infrastructure security control with high availability and resiliency. However, in any progressive IT organization, as my customers have already discovered, technology is not the silver bullet. Moving to a new technical architecture and infrastructure while keeping the lights on and running business as usual brings challenges of its own. Unless your IT organization starts to address the legacy of conventional working practices, they can become too focused on technology itself. For example, IT service management is a great approach, but it should not be neglected, and adaptation of existing processes is necessary to support the new technology platform being deployed. If you don't, the full benefits of that platform will not be realized. Your IT operating model should also be reviewed and assessed, as more than likely transformation of that IT operating model to support your new infrastructure platform will be needed in order to be successful. If you don't address this in a systematic way at the executive level of your organization, IT transformation can also turn into a chaotic and disparate collection of individual initiatives. You may have already noticed an organic recognition of this with initiatives such as DevOps that seek to align application development and operations teams. However, again, if technology becomes your focus with people process becoming a poor second, DevOps will struggle to deliver against its promises. This in turn leaves you, your organization, and the IT organization frustrated as the expected high-value IT outcomes will take longer to deliver an ROI, if at all. Successful customers plan and design for their future state operating model. For example, examining the roles that require interaction and skills development without which the operating model will fail. My customers embarking on enterprise-scale transformation projects also try to tackle the scale of the task through self-funding, bite-sized chunks, which deliver quick wins and ROI to senior management and executive sponsors. If you'd like further information, please speak to your VMware account team about your ops transformation services and how we can achieve your required high-value IT outcomes.